Hello, folks. Manjunath here. As we approach the end of 2024 and get up to welcome the year 2025, I thought, why not we kick off the new year with a fun and brain teasing Python coding challenge? So, I want to talk about the challenge to all my amazing Python coders out there. This is the challenge that I've taken upon myself to start with, and I'll explain what is that. So, notice here, it's a very simple vanilla Python code. There is nothing complex about the code. But you notice something dramatic here. There is no direct use of string literal anywhere in the code. Hope you notice it. So I have challenged myself and wanted to steer clear of directly using the string literal. So then I created the code like this. Like I said, it's a simple code, but I'll have a quick walkthrough. Hope you all are able to follow and absorb this quickly. So notice here I've written a user-defined function rather, called print underscore message. And inside that, what you see is nothing but the list of Unicode character codes. So notice one more time, there is no direct use of string literal anywhere. And subsequent to which, I've used some join function passing that Unicode character codes to convert the list of characters to a single string, and it returns a message being a function. And there is last line of code, which is nothing but the call the function and print the message. So if we make an explicit call to the function, and notice again there are no arguments passed to the function, it's going to print the message, whatever the message returned by this print message function. Here is your challenge. So it is just to have some fun and then welcome the new year with this Python challenge. So without executing this code, okay, I shall repeat, without executing a single line of this code, can you make a guess as to what is the output of this code? And I want you to tell me what your guess is by commenting in the comment section down below. Don't execute the code to start with. If you have time and if you want to execute the code, execute it and see and check if your guess was correct. Okay? And if you want to modify this code, challenge yourself to not use the string literal directly, but play with only the Unicode character codes to come up with very creative, innovative message. I want you to make sure your innovative juices are flowing as we head to welcome and get up to welcome the year 2025. Hope this creates some fun and excitement to learn Python in more meaningful way. And looking forward to how do you modify this code to better represent the code and get the output eventually. If you want to tag me on LinkedIn, please go ahead and tag me. I'm happy to take a look at the code. And if you want to drop a comment on my YouTube channel and then mention the code, I shall take some of your code and execute to see what creative, innovative juices that have let it out. And you know what? The good news is I want to take a couple of them to be able to feature in my upcoming video. And let's be creative and let's learn from each other. So thank you very much. So now it's your time to take on this challenge and guess first what is the output. So thank you very much. I'll see you in my upcoming video. Bye-bye.